Mabuhay! My name is Ana Claudette Romales from the Philippines, and I wish to be part of your company's training program. It would be great if I could start my internship as soon as possible. This training could give me an edge and help me develop my skills and knowledge about the front office department operations. Allow me to tell you something about myself. I am 20 years old and I have recently obtained my degree at the University of St. La Salle, Bacolod City last March 2013. I believe that experience is the best teacher in life. That's why I chose to be in this program, because of the experiences that I might encounter. Work is not work if you do not enjoy it, and dealing with people of all sorts is my forte. Giving guests a satisfactory service will be my focus if you'll accept me in your company. It excites me more if there are challenges to be dealt with. It gives me opportunity to practice my emotional and intellectual abilities. I can say that working under pressure is my strength, and it will be also an advantage in your manpower and workforce. I am also friendly. I enjoy having the reward of friendship. Friendly smiles can mask the panic and stress that might occur during work. Furthermore, I am a well-rounded person, able to work independently but welcome the company of others as well. I hope that you will give me the opportunity to have my training in your company so that we could have a worthwhile and remarkable experience as a trainee and as a trainer. Thank you for your time and I hope to see you soon.